Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Insight Pro. Today we introducing nothing but one, which is biggest hive in the world right now, and it's the trending on Google.
After some hours, then I was laying in the bed. I came back. You will see things which are transformed. It's a different view, a different experience of our existence.
All over the world, people seems its competitor in iPhone and Google Pixel. We are showing to you what is the specification of this mobile phone. So let's start it. First, its display 6.55 inch flexible OLED display, Corning Gorilla Glass, haptic touch motor, etc. Then chipset Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus battery 4500 mAh. Its memory 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM and 256GB. Camera 50 megapixel. Front camera 16 megapixel. Thank you watching for my channel.